How to Get the Results You Want. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. Are you really getting what you want? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve everything they want in life while others feel stuck in an endless cycle of frustration? Why are some prayers answered and others seemingly ignored? What's the real reason behind achieving your deepest desires? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Chapter 8 of the best-selling book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This chapter reveals the mental and spiritual principles behind transforming desires into concrete results and why so many people fail to make that happen. You're going to learn how effective prayer actually works, the biggest mistakes people make when trying to manifest something, and practical proven techniques to get real results using the power of your subconscious mind. Let's get started. The mind as the key to results. Joseph Murphy opens the chapter by explaining that thought is action, and the subconscious response is the reaction. In other words, whatever you think about consistently will produce an automatic response in your reality, whether it is positive or negative. Whatever you accept as true, your subconscious begins to bring into form. This is a natural law. The subconscious does not distinguish between good or bad. It simply reacts to ideas that are accepted emotionally and repetitively. If you plant thoughts of success, peace, love, and fulfillment, you will harvest equivalent outcomes. If you plant fear, doubt, worry, or frustration, you'll end up with stress, limitations, and lack. Why some prayers don't work. One of the central questions Joseph Murphy tackles here is, why don't all prayers work? Skeptics often use this question to dismiss the power of prayer altogether. But Murphy explains that the issue isn't with prayer. It's with the way most people pray. He teaches that prayer is effective only when practiced with a clear understanding of the mental laws involved. It's not about begging with desperation or repeating empty words, but about understanding how the subconscious mind works and applying mental techniques correctly. There are two major mistakes that block success. 1. Lack of belief. If you pray but still doubt inside, you're canceling out your own request. The subconscious needs simple, confident belief. 2. Trying too hard. When you're desperate or anxious, you're telling your subconscious that the result hasn't happened and may never happen. Effort denies, faith affirms. The language your subconscious understands. Joseph Murphy emphasizes that the subconscious doesn't respond to force. It responds to emotional acceptance of an idea. What does that mean in practice? It means repeating thoughts like, I want to succeed, but it's so hard. I hope this works, is actually harmful. Instead, you must affirm and feel that you already have what you desire. You must visualize it, imagine it, and live it internally as if it were already a fact. The subconscious responds to images, emotions, and belief, not stress or doubt. Techniques to get the results you want. Murphy shares several practical methods you can begin using today. Here are the key ones. Technique 1. Instant acceptance of the idea. Once you accept an idea as true, your subconscious immediately begins to work on it. The secret is to accept and release. Example. Instead of saying, I want a promotion, say, I am being promoted now. The intelligence of my subconscious is arranging everything perfectly. Then, trust it. Let it go. Don't worry about how. The subconscious knows the way. Technique 2. Visualization with emotion. See yourself in the result. Already healed. Already successful. Already loved. Add details. Feel it. Practice this especially before bed and upon waking. It sends a direct and powerful message to the subconscious. Technique 3. The prayer of surrender. This kind of prayer is powerful because it involves faith and release. Example. The infinite intelligence of my subconscious knows what's best for me. I trust this desire is now manifesting in divine order. The power of present feeling. The subconscious reacts when emotion matches the idea. A lot of people pray for something while feeling anxious or fearful, and that blocks the process. The key is to generate a state of peace, security, and gratitude. as if the result were already real. Murphy teaches that we must feel the reality of our desire right now, because the subconscious only operates in the present tense. If you want a new job, for example, visualize yourself saying, "I love my new job. I feel appreciated, well paid, and fulfilled." Feel that it's already true, even before it physically is. Real-life examples of manifestation. Murphy shares several real-life success stories in this chapter. Let's look at two standout examples. Case 1, the woman who wanted a Cadillac. One of Murphy's students needed a car to keep attending his lectures. Instead of complaining, she applied what she had learned. She visualized herself walking into the dealership, picking out her dream car, and driving it around town. She repeated daily, "This Cadillac is mine. I'm driving it now." 2 weeks later, a distant uncle passed away and left her a Cadillac in his will. Her mental image had become physical reality. Case 2, executives and the word success. Murphy shares that many high-level business executives used a simple technique, repeating the word success many times a day until it became an inner state. They understood that the word success carries the essence of courage, vision, discipline, and faith. Repeating it with confidence programs the subconscious to build everything needed for success. What you believe, you attract. This chapter reinforces one of the core principles of the entire book. You are compelled to express your inner beliefs. If you believe you're worthy of love, you'll attract loving relationships. If you believe you're always being rejected, you'll keep experiencing that. If you believe money is hard to come by, your mind will create more struggle. If you believe life is generous with me, you'll find more opportunities. The subconscious simply reflects what you truly believe about yourself and the world. Practical steps to start right now. Murphy ends the chapter with practical advice, almost like a mental cheat sheet, to start applying this knowledge immediately. Identify what you truly want. Ask yourself sincerely, what do I really desire? Use simple, clear words. Don't overcomplicate. Say, success, health, happiness, peace. Repeat with faith. Visualize and feel it. Create a vivid mental picture of your goal. Feel it as already true. Sleep with the idea. Before sleeping, dwell on the feeling of your desire already fulfilled. This plants it deeply in the subconscious. Don't force anything. Trust, release, and believe the universe is working it out. Affirm with gratitude. I am thankful for receiving this now. Everything is unfolding perfectly. You already have the power to shape your reality. Chapter 8 of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind reveals that everything you desire already exists as a real possibility within you. All you have to do is plant the right idea, feel its reality, and trust in the infinite intelligence of your subconscious mind. You don't need to figure out how it will happen. Just know what you want, feel that it's already yours, and release it with full confidence. If you practice this with faith and consistency, results are inevitable. So, did this message resonate with you? Then go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to manifest their dreams. Drop a comment below. What result are you now ready to create using your subconscious power? And if you'd like me to cover the next chapter, how to use the power of the subconscious mind to acquire wealth, just comment, bring on chapter 9. See you in the next video, and remember, your mind is the seed of everything you will ever experience. Plant it well,